Welcome back. In Android Studio, Gradle scripts folder contains important Gradle build scripts used for configuring and building your Android project. These scripts are essential for defining the build process, dependencies, and other project-specific configurations. From these files, we are interested in two files, build.gradle.kts project level and build.gradle.kts module level. Let's start with the project level. Double-click on it, and this file is responsible for configuring the build process for your entire Android project. It specifies settings and dependencies that are common to all modules within the project. In this file, you might define the build script, repositories, and other project-wide settings. The .kts extension indicates that it's written in Kotlin and uses the Kotlin DSL, domain-specific language, for Gradle. The Kotlin DSL is an alternative to the additional Groovy-based DSL used in Gradle scripts. The second file is build.gradle.kts, but it is at the level of the module. This file configures the specific build settings for your Android app module. It includes dependencies, compile options, and other module-specific configurations. Similar to the project-level build script, this file is written in Kotlin using the Kotlin DSL and focuses on settings relevant to the app module. These build scripts are crucial for Android app development because they define how your app is built, including which libraries and dependencies are used, how resources and assets are processed, and more. The adoption of Kotlin-based DSL, build.gradle.kts for Gradle build scripts in Android Studio offers benefits such as improved code completion, type checking, and better readability compared to the older Groovy-based DSL. It also aligns well with the Kotlin programming language, which is officially supported by Google for Android development. However, you can still find Android projects using the Groovy-based DSL, which is gradually being phased out in favor of Kotlin-based DSL. When working on an Android project in Android Studio, it's essential to understand how to modify and configure these build scripts as they directly affect your code and your app and how it's packaged and deployed.